Yo, what is up guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome to another video on the channel. So, I'm sure you guys don't know where the spawn actually is or what server I'm on, but today we are actually on a brand new classic prison server. Now, I know I was actually uploading on Airedale, but we're going to switch it up and be uploading on actually what Airedale originated from. So, Airedale is actually a remake of another classic prison server called TitanMC, and pretty much we are here on TitanMC today. And we are actually going to be playing. Now, there's actually nobody on, so you guys need to come play with me. I'm going to be uploading on here some more, hopefully, so make sure you guys come check out the server and play with me. So whenever you first log on to the server, it's a bit different from Airedale, so I'm going to be explaining everything in today's video. Make sure you guys drop a like on today's video. Subscribe to the channel. We're shooting for 5K subs. Make sure you guys do come play the server. TitanMC.co is the IP. You guys will see it in the top center of your screen throughout the entire episode. And also, make sure that you guys do turn on push notifications. And yeah, guys, we're going to go ahead and get into today's video. I'll cut you guys back whenever we're actually recording. Peace. Alright guys, so you guys actually spawn somewhere around here. So pretty much whenever you guys spawn into the server, you guys will see that these are the rules that you'll not get banned for. So the guard's word is final. Don't attempt to kill any guard. Don't get caught holding a sword. No group killing guards. Failure to do so will result in jail or death. And listen to the guards. And then basically the rules that you'll actually get banned from are no hacking, no advertising, and respect all players and staff, which is obviously some more rules, which are, you know, the obvious rules. And then it says get exclusive ranks by doing such donate. So if we do such donate, you guys can see this. There's Hustler, Wise Guy, Enforcer, and then there's Underboss and Mastermind. So follow the colored path to see rank benefits. So we're going to go check these out. And this is actually not USD, this is actually pounds. So you guys can see that that's all the stuff that you get from that one. And you guys can pause this if you want or come on the server. That's from that one. This is the stuff from the next rank. This is from the next rank. And then the final rank, which is actually 30 pounds, which is not even too bad for a top rank. These are the other tools: Smelter's Pickaxe, Lumberjack Axe, Explosive Pickaxe, and Bountiful Pickaxe. So these are all some pretty good tools. They range from 8 to 15 pound, so it's actually pretty good. So pretty much, you guys can see right here, when I purchase something, basically these are just like a bunch of different questions and answers. It's a little Q&A area, as you guys can see, questions and answers. So if we do such spawn, we're going to go back to the spawn, and let's go ahead and check this out. Red carpet equals PvP enabled, which is pretty much just like Airedale. So whenever you walk in here, boom, PvP enabled, PvP disabled. Right here, here's the warden. You can prestige, and then you could rank up. So you could rank up, but you need 20k. And then here are the different commissaries. Here's the commissary guy you can purchase commissaries from, which you need tickets, not crystals. So there's C2 and C3. This is C1. So basically, I start off in the E ward. So I don't think I have any kits. Kit, Enforcer. Let's do that. Okay, nice. So we got some good looking stuff here, actually. So we're going to go ahead and do some of these quests now. So let's go ahead to David Leatherman. Let's do the quest. Alright, let's do this quest. So we need to get a full leather set. We already know what this quest is from Airedale, basically. I'm sure you guys probably have seen this from on Airedale whenever we were doing it on Airedale. So pretty much we're just going to go ahead and get rid of all these cows so that we could go ahead and basically just make an entire leather set. And I'll bring you guys back whenever we have enough leather to make the leather. Watch out. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and craft the leather set now. Let's go ahead and do that. So, let's do that. Boom, boom. And go ahead and do that. Boom. Give you this. Confirm. Boom. Okay, well, it looks like there's a little bit of issues there. Can I continue? No, I can't. I was going to say, can I just keep doing that? But no, I cannot. So we're going to go ahead over here and check out this. I haven't actually been over here. Let's see what Voodoo has for us today. Bring me one skull item. Player's head to Voodoo. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. Anyways, let's go ahead and check this out. What's this guy want? Timberland. Bring me one iron axe. Alright, so, well, we have an iron axe right here, but I don't know if I want to give that to him. Let's see if we have one from Wise Guy Kit. Yeah, we do. How about Kit Hustler? Yeah, we do. Okay. So I'm gonna give him this one. Confirm. What? Oh, because it's from the Kit Hustler, I can't give it to him. Okay, that works. Alright, so we're gonna drop out all of this stuff. Such kit. I want to see how much longer I have on these kits, actually, if it's only 24 hours. Yep, it's only 24 hours. That's good. So we're going to go ahead and get some iron, and we're going to make an iron pickaxe really quickly, or an iron axe. And as you guys can tell, this actually looks just like the other server. It looks like just like Airedale, and you guys can see basically it looks pretty close. This one actually looks, I feel like it looks a lot more clean. Okay, let's see what we got going on down here. This one just doesn't have like the cave. I think Airedale definitely has more features. Yeah, Airedale has more features for this server. I feel like the builds look pretty clean as well. So we're gonna go ahead and mine this, and then we do actually have to go like this. And okay, so we're gonna go smelt this really quickly, and then we have to get some wood to craft as well. So we kind of just wasted time walking all the way over here whenever we should have got some wood at the same time. But it's alright, so we're gonna go ahead and smelt this. Wow, someone just gave us some free food. Wow, thank you. So there we go, we have that, and then we're just gonna go ahead and let this smelt, and I'll bring it back once it smelts, which is only gonna be like just a couple of seconds. Alright guys, so I did just smelt it. We're gonna go get some wood really quickly now, and we're gonna go ahead and craft this axe. So let's go ahead over here and do that really quickly. Oh wait, let me see this. I want to see something. Courtyard, and then the food farm is over here. Oh, so this just cuts you right into the food farm. That's actually pretty cool. So we could just go through here, and then we could do this. But this is kind of the longer way, I guess. So this was kind of a waste of time, but it's actually cool how it cuts you into this. That's pretty cool. So that's something that Airedale doesn't have. I don't want to compare the two servers, really. They are pretty similar because they're pretty much the same exact concept, and they're supposed to be like very, very similar. So yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and get this wood and go ahead and craft this axe really quickly. So it says you could buy a stone axe right there for $10, but I'm not gonna do that. And then over here, spend your tokens here, and this shows how to make these shop signs, or these shops. If we come over here, I think this is the only spot where there's a crafting table. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. So it feels like it's a little bit laggy. Yeah, it's definitely a bit laggy. Dude, hello? Okay, there we go. Alright, so we're going to take this iron axe really quickly, and we're going to go turn this in really quickly to the guy over here. Let's go turn this into this. Alright, here we go. Let's turn this in. Boom. There we go. 1,500 more XP right there. So there we go. That was actually pretty easy. These are a lot easier than the ones on Airedale, the quests. So that was actually really, really easy. So I don't see any other quests in here, and I don't really want to sit here and grind a ton. We're just going to check this out. I don't think I could get a player head because obviously there's nobody online. So, you know, and I'm not really interested in PvPing with my best stuff or spending any money on getting a stealth so I could put my other stuff away. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna go mining for some. Alright guys, so I'm gonna actually end off today's video right here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like. Let's go for 60 likes on today's video. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, as I'm going for 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and I definitely think we could hit that. Also, make sure that you guys do come check out the server. Comment your IGN down below, or comment something down below. It could be your IGN if you guys want me to come play with you, and if I see you online, whatever. But just comment something nice down below. Also, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified when I upload. And other than that, pretty much complete the server. TitanMC.co is the IP. It was in the top center of your screen throughout the entire video, and it is down below in the description. Anyways, guys, see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Peace.